In this video, I will show you how to select a website template in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my Hostinger account. Go to Websites from the top. Click on Add a new website and select Hostinger Website Builder. In this step, instead of going with AI, click on Use pre-made templates from the bottom. These are the templates categories. To preview a template, just click on Preview on your preferred template. You can see it on desktop and also mobile. You can go back to all templates to preview another one. And after previewing your preferred template, click on Start Building from this corner or by using this Select Template button. And this is how to select your website template in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to customize a website template in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside the Hostinger Website Builder. Let's start with the first thing from the top, which is adding a sticky bar. Since this is an e-commerce shop, I can write something like 20-30% off for 20 use coupon this is a sticky bar that I can create, and to distinguish it from this heading section, I will edit this bar color. For example, I can, as you can see, select the sticky section just like that from the side, then hit edit section. Go with next to section color, you can select a catchy color like that. You can also program or edit the visibility on mobile. If you want to not to hide it in mobile, you can select it like that, hidden next to mobile. Same thing with desktop. Now let's move to the header section. For the header section, you can start with editing the website logo. Just click on the website logo, click on replace image. Let's go with this photo, click on select. As you can see, now my logo is replaced with this photo. I can play a little bit with the logo width, just like that. I can make it bigger, smaller. To upload a photo from your computer, you can use this upload files button. Now let's move to this navigation menu. To edit this navigation menu, you can first edit it like you can edit it from pages and navigation. As you can see, you can reorder the pages. Let's say I want the about page to be the first. I just move it just like that. As you can see, now I have the about page, the first in the navigation menu. To create a drop down style menu, you can use this little icon. As you can see, it's called add a new drop down. Just click on it. I double click it, so I will delete one. As you can see, I have a new drop down menu. Now I can add the contact under new drop down, but a little bit to this side, just like that. As you can see, under new drop down, I have contact just like that. To edit this new drop down text, just click on this little circle and hit rename. Test, for example. Click on, as you can see, now it is test. Let's undo. To undo an action, you can click on this undo buttons. Now let's see how to add a big button or an easy to distinguish button in this navigation or this in this header section. Just click on the header section and click on edit header. As you can see, you can go to the elements, click on next to show button, you can enable it, and as you can see I have a new big button. Like to edit the text or the color of this button, you can go to style, it is a little bit hidden, select button and edit the button text, for example newsletter, and link it to a page or a web address. To edit the fill color, you can go with this red color. This text color also can be edited. Let's keep it white. Also the text size, for example, make it a little bit bigger. From the same header settings, you can edit the layout of the header, for example, to make it sticky or not. Since I have this sticky bar, I will disable making this header sticky. You can also edit the element spacing between the navigation bar, also the line spacing, and top and bottom spacing. I prefer this size. You can also edit the order or the design of this section. Let's see the logo in the middle. Let's see the elements tab. You can hide and show the logo, social icons, they are added here. You can enable and disable our button and the shopping cart. As you can see, since I didn't save my editing after editing this button color, I lost my design. So it is very important to always keep saving or updating your website. Let's keep discovering this header section. You can also edit the shopping bag icon size, also the icon text, and the style. We already seen that. You can edit the style of the header, the button, or the social icons. Now let's close the header settings. Now as you can see, I already have a bar with this free shipping on order over $50 amount. I want to delete this. To delete this bar, just click on this section and click on delete. Now let's move to this big photo section. To edit the background photo, just click on this section and click edit section. You can select between a color, a photo, and a video. Let's edit the image of this section. Just click on replace image and select one of your photos. You can use photos from your library or from free images provided by the Unsplash service, or the upload files button to upload a photo from your computer. Let's go with this photo, for example. You can edit the overlay opacity of your image, and also enable and disable the fixed background settings. Next to edit section, you have the possibility to generate an image using AI and using it instead of this background photo. Just describe your image idea here and click on create images. As you can see, I've used all of my free credits, so I can't create more images. Next to generate image, you have the possibility to duplicate this section, just like that. As you can see, the whole section is duplicated. You can also, since I've talked about duplicating a whole session, I have a little trick that you can use for your Hostinger website. You can create two sections with the same background or different background as you want. And let's say for the desktop, you want to show a button like that, like this one. And for the mobile version, you want to show, for example, like a search bar. Just add a product search bar like that, make it bigger, and delete these elements. Now go to the first bar. Let's play with the visibility options or settings to show this section only for mobile. For example, click on this hide show icon, and for this section is for mobile, so I will disable next to desktop, and I will go to the next section or the duplicated section and make it hidden from mobile. So now what will happen, let's preview. So now what will happen is this: for people on desktop, they will see this section. My bad, for people on mobile will see this section, and for others on desktop, they will see this section. Let's preview this work. As you can see, I am now from a computer, so I will see just this section with a product search bar. And for the mobile, they will see the same section but with the shop now button. This is a little trick to use on Hostinger website editor, website builder. Now let's delete one of this section, or let's delete the other one. And for the visibility, I will make them both visible on mobile and desktop. Now you can, to delete a section, you can use this little icon. To move it up or down, you can use these arrows. You can also copy a whole section and paste it in another place. For example, copy section, just go to another section, click on more and hit paste section. As you can see, it is now added below this one, and the original one is still in its place. Let's delete our duplicated or copied section. Now let's move to the next section. As you can see, this is a product, latest products section. You can manage products. You can first edit the product, for example, the layout of the product display style. You can edit the image ratio, image corner radius, how many columns you want per line, the spacing, and the row spacing. You can edit many other things like the style, the filters. For example, if you want to show some products of a category, for example, you can also edit the sorting by to make people able to sort by price or by most recent. You can edit lots of this, also pagination, how many products per page. You can also stretch this products section, duplicate it, hide it, delete it, or move it up or down. As you can see, let's play with move up. As you can see, now our bestseller text is below. Let's move this section down. As you can see, it is now on the top. Let's say that you want to delete it. Let's say that you want to add a section big title like bestsellers, and you try to add a text. If the text is not possible to add it automatically, what you should do is to first go to place your mouse pointer between these two sections and click on add section, and add a blank section, make it a little bit shorter, then add your big title just like that, best sellers. Let's move down a little bit. Let's see how to add titles in a section. To add a big title, go to add elements, click on it, drag and move this text element, and write your own text. So write your text To make it bigger, to make it one line, you can adjust it like that. To make the text bigger, double click the text or click on edit text. You can edit the style if it is a heading or a paragraph. You can also add or adjust the text size, the text color. You can also make a link. For example, I want to make the text word a link. Just double click it and go to link. You can link to a page, a web address, even a specific section of a page, and email address and phone number. Now let's add a small paragraph or a small description. Small section description. As I've said before, double click it, make it a paragraph, and play with the text. For example, 38, make it one line, or even smaller, just like that. Now let's see how to add a button. Same thing, click on add element, select button. You can resize it just like that. Double click the text to edit it. Double click the text, then go to style. You can edit the style button, the fill color. Let's go with the orange. You can edit the text font, the border width. Let's create a border color, for example, this color. You can also link this to link this whole button to a page. You can first edit the button text, for example, shop now, or go to shop. You can link to a page or a web address. Now let's see how to add a section between. If you want to, for example, you've seen a nice section in a website template and you don't and you want to add it in your website, you can click on add section. Then you can select between generating a section using AI. For example, let's go with generate section. You can describe your section. For example, it's on contacts us section for my kids shoes e-com shop. Hit create. As you can see, this is a contact us, a well-designed contact us section. To edit anything, just double click it and you can edit the text. To edit an contact or an contact form, for example, double click the contact form and hit edit form. You can first rename this contact form, for example, contact form on home page or home page contact form. You can also change the email address where you will receive email notifications after each form submission. You can even see your form submissions directly from this button. Now to edit these fields, you can, for example, open the field, edit the field label, for example, first name. You can change the field type to email or phone number. You can make it required or not. You can even remove it completely. And to add a new field, just click on this list and select between short answer, a paragraph like that, a single choice, or multiple choices, just like that, and continue editing your form fields. Now let's move to the form button. You can edit the text, the button text, for example, send. To edit this button text, you can also edit the action or what will happen after a successful submission. For example, you can show this a little bit of text or link them or redirect them to another page on your website, just like that. For example, payment delivery, and hit, just close this form and hit update. Yes, publish your website or update your website. Now we are still, no, we are still offline. This is why I see this go live button. That means my website is not published online yet. Let's move to the, this is a section of with a photo, a title and a button, and this is another section with a background photo, a big title and a subscribe form. To add a subscribe form to your site, just go to add element, select subscribe form or subscribe element and add it here. You click on edit form, go to form submissions. As you can see, this is your subscribe form. To view your list of your subscribers, just click on this view list. You can even export this list in a CSV file to upload it in another service, for example. This is a follow us on Instagram. This is, I think this is just photos, but we can add an Instagram feed element. Click on add element, go to Instagram feed. Where is it? Instagram? Yes, this is Instagram feed. You can resize it just like that. Edit your feed. First, you need to connect your Instagram to start feeding your latest photos. You can edit how many items you want to show. Also the layout, how many items per row, the gap between photos. So this is a good a button with your Instagram ID to directly open your Instagram profile and follow you. Now let's see how to add legal pages in Hostinger and add them to the footer. Just go to pages and navigation, click on add page, then select privacy policy. For example, you have one template to choose from. Fill in your company name, for example, Benz Ecom LLC. Fill in your website name, for example, benzllc.com, and click on and hit add page. As you can see, your privacy policy page are created for you. Now it was also added to this navigation menu or this header section. To remove it first from this header section, go to pages and navigation and drag and move this privacy policy page under hidden from navigation. As you can see, it was hidden from the navigation menu. And to add it to your footer, just go to add element, select text and move it here. Double click it, then make it a paragraph text. Write privacy policy. Make your text a little bit smaller. Policy. Then select your text and hit the link icon. Select that you want to link to a page, then look for your privacy policy page. Now click on save. You can resize it just like that and hit it and place it here. Same thing to add up terms and conditions. As you can see, to gain some time, you can even duplicate your first privacy policy, then double click it, terms and conditions, select your text with Control A on PC and Command A on Mac, then select a page, then terms and conditions, and hit save. Make it a little bit bigger, just like that, and don't forget to save your changes to not lose them. I think that's all for this video. If you want another part where I explain another thing, for example, let's see how to how to add a blog, or how to. I think that's all for this video, to not make it longer. If you want me to explain more of hosting a website builder, just let me know in the comments below, and I will make a part 2 of this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. In this video, I will show you how to change your website colors in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside Hostinger. I am now inside website builder in Hostinger. To change your website colors globally and from one place, just go to website style. Then, as you can see, all these colors are used multiple times in different places on your website. For this white, for example, it was used 23 times in your website, in different places on your website, and you can change them globally on your website, but from one place. I'm trying to locate where I'm using this red in order to see where this color change is made. I can't locate it, but what I'm sure of is that this red color is used only one time. As you can see, these little social media icons are using this color. So let's change it from here. It is the first red. Oh, I forgot to click on the accept. I should use the accept button in order to see the. Now let's turn this red color to black. As you can see, it was now changed here in the social media icons. Now let's pick a color and edit it. As you can see, the footer of this website is in a bluish color. Let's try to change it from here. Let's pick this color, for example, a red color. As you can see, it was changed just from one place. The color changes are applied on your whole website. Now you can also change your website font. For example, you can use the Prata. Click on reset. As you can see, now all my fonts are changed. You can also edit the style of your buttons. For example, I can use this rounded corner buttons. As you can see, changes are made directly on this, applied directly on this button. You can also play with your animation. Let's use a fade animation. And this is how to change your website colors in Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will show you how to customize the website style in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside the website builder in Hostinger. To customize the website settings, just go to customize your website style, just go to website styles. And as you can see, you can edit the colors of many of your whole website in one click. You can also change the fonts. Let's say we want to go with this Titanium web font. You can research, confirm your research. And as you can see now, the whole website fonts are edited in one click. Let's go back to website style. You can also edit the style of your buttons. Let's go with this round corner type. And for the animation, you can set an animation style that will be applied to all elements on your websites. For the element animation, I don't think it is a good thing to have. As you can see, the animation was only applied for this big title, little description, and button. Let's go back to the color. Let's see. Let's say that, for example, I don't like this red color. I can edit it just from here. As you can see, it was replaced. It was edited here and also edited whenever the red was used. That was all. This is how to customize your whole website settings or style. To edit the style of specific elements, you can just select the element, like for example this text. Just click on edit text. You can edit the style from heading to paragraph, also the font, the text size, the bold, like we are used to. You can also edit. Let's say we want to edit the style of this button. Same thing, click on edit button. You can edit the style of the color, for example, the text size, the border width. Let's make it a little bit black to notice the difference. This is the border. Let's say I want to edit the style of this section. Select this section first and click on edit section. You can use a color as a background, or an image, or a video, or even a video. Let's pick a color, for example. Let's go with this blue, or this gray, slight bright gray. Also, let's edit the style of this footer. Same thing, select the footer, then click on edit section. You can edit the snap to guides, the background. Let's change it to an image. I think the color is better than a photo in this area. Another thing that I want, let's customize the height of the section. Just click on this. You can adjust the height of a section just from this little button. And this is how to customize your website style in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to create a blog in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside the website builder in Hostinger Website Builder. This is an e-commerce shop and I don't have a blog. To add a blog, just go to website settings, then click on blog. Now click on start a blog. And as you can see, I had these 4 blog posts already published for me. I can delete them just like that. A shortcode to your blog is this little icon. Let's delete these 2 blog posts and keep these 2. This is another blog short link added to my navigation menu. Let's click on it. This is my blog page, and let's first see how to create a blog post in this new blog. Click on add a new post. You can create your blog post using AI or write it yourself. Let's go with the AI. First, select the tone of voice, casual, the length of your content. For example, 10 hiking tips. 10 hiking tips for beginners. For example, 10 hiking tips for beginners with a big photo at the top, big advent or hiking photo at the top. As you can see, hit create content, and this is the result of my prompt, AI prompt. Let's see the quality of this blog post. Start with easy trails, wear the right gear, stay hydrated, pack light but smart, know your limits, use a map and a compass, leave no trace, check the weather, go with a friend, enjoy the journey. As you can see, these all of these tips are of good quality. So I appreciate the Hostinger AI writing tool. As you can see, this is the title, some slight description, and don't forget to to make this blog post public. Don't forget to click on this draft status to make it public, and always publish your website or update your website to publish your latest changes. Now let's see how to work with the blog. You can add categories, for example a tips category. Now go to post settings, then categories, select your categories. You can also add a new category from here. Let's select the tips category. As you can see, it was added below the blog post title. You can also edit the post description, URL, author, and the publishing date. You can also schedule a post to be published in the future. And this is how to create a blog in Hostinger website. In this video, I will show you how to manage your navigation menu in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside the website builder of one of my websites built on Hostinger website builder. To manage your navigation, just click on pages and navigation. The first thing I want to let you know about navigation menu in Hostinger is that you have the main navigation and also hidden from navigation. Now, if you want to hide any page from your navigation menu, just drag and move it here and it will be automatically hidden from the navigation menu. Now, to release it back or to make it public, just drag and move it to the main navigation. Reordering these pages in the navigation menu is also simple. Just drag and move let's say I want the home page to be the latest page. Drag and move it in the last place in this list. As you can see, it is updated automatically. Let's say that you want this blog to be under home with a drop-down menu style. What you need to do is to drag and move blog, and instead of placing it under home, it should be under home but a little bit to the right side, just like that. As you can see, now home is showing blog below it in a drop-down menu style. And this is how to manage your navigation menu in Hostinger. If you still have a question, don't forget to leave it in the comments below. In this video, I will show you how to add legal pages in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside the website editor of this website. As you can see, the footer has no legal pages. I will first create them, then add them as an element in this footer. First, go to pages and navigation, then click on add page. As you can see from this left side list, we can create a privacy policy page, a refund policy page, and also a terms and conditions page. Let's first start with privacy policy. This is a template you can use. Just fill in your company name, for example, Ben's Adventures LLC. Your website name and email address are already filled for you. Click on add page. Your privacy policy page is created for you. To create the terms and conditions page, do the same. Go to pages and navigation. Click on add page, select terms and condition, select the template and fill in your company name, Ben's Adventures LLC, for example. Then click on Add Page. The terms and condition page is also published. Click on Update Website. Let's view our website. This is your privacy policy page, and this is your terms and conditions. To remove them from the navigation menu, just go to Pages and Navigation and drag and move your terms and condition page and place it here under Hidden from Navigation. Same thing with the privacy policy page. As you can see, they are automatically removed or hidden from the navigation menu. Now let's add them to the footer. Click on Add Element, select Text, and drag it here. Double click this text and first edit this style to a paragraph instead of a heading. Now let's make it white in order to show up. Then write privacy policy. Resize the element, place it correct, and double click it again and click on this link icon. Now select link to a page and look for your privacy policy page. Hit save. Now we can duplicate it to get the same style and write terms and conditions. Make the element a little bit bigger and double click it. Click on link again and select the terms and conditions page. Click on save, then update your website. Let's view our website live. As you can see, our legal pages are hidden in the navigation menu and they are added to the footer. And this is how to add legal pages in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to add text in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my website builder, and to add text, just click on Add Element, drag and move this text and drop it where you want. You can either make it bigger. To edit this text, you can either double click it or click on Edit Text. You can write your own text. You can edit the text color, the text size, also the type of or the text style from a heading to a paragraph. To make your text a link, just select the part you want to turn to a link and click on this little link icon. You can link to a page or a web address. Fill in your website address and hit save. To write a section using AI in this text, you can simply select your text element and click on AI Writer. Then describe your text and it will be replaced or added here. To duplicate this text element, you can duplicate it just like that. You can also make it appear either on mobile or desktop. You can delete this text element from here. And this is how to add text in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to edit your blog post in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my website builder in Hostinger, and to edit your blog post, just click on blog. As you can see, these are my blog posts right now, and to edit one, just click on it. To edit your blog post title, click on post settings from the top menu. As you can see, you can edit your post title. You can also add a post description. Let's see where it appears, description here. You can also edit your blog post link. You can also add or edit the post authors, edit the publishing date, and schedule this post to be published in the future. You can also edit the featured image, which is the image or the photo that will appear for your blog post in the home page, for example. You can also add or remove categories to this blog post. And don't forget to click on save. As you can see, this is where the description appears. You can also edit this header or this blog post header. Just click on edit blog posts. You can edit the blog post size, the visibility of many features like the description, the blog categories, the author name, date, and reading time. You can also edit the header, top and the bottom spacing, or add a background to this header section. You can use between a color, an image, or a video. For this photo, you can generate it using AI, or you can also replace it with another photo, or even delete it from here. This is your blog post text. To edit it, just select it first, then click on edit text. Now you can edit it with your keyboard. And don't remember to always update your website to see your changes live. In this video, I will show you how to edit a blog post URL in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my website builder in Hostinger, and to edit a blog post URL, just go to blog. As you can see, these are all of my current blog posts. And to change this blog post URL, for example, just click on these little three dots. Then go to post URL. As you can see, this is the current one, and to edit it, just fill in your new one, new URL, and click on save. And don't forget to update your website to reflect your changes online. And this is how to edit your blog post URL in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to change your blog post title and description in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside the website builder in Hostinger, and to change your blog post title and description, click on blog. As you can see, these are all of my blog posts. Let's click on one of them. And to change this blog post title and description, just go to post settings. Then you can edit your post title and post description from here. Then click on save. And as you can see, now my title and post description are changed. And don't forget to update your website to reflect your changes online. And this is how to change your blog post title and description in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to change your featured blog post image in Hostinger Website Builder. First, go to blog. As you can see, these are my blog posts. Click on one of them. Then from the top menu, click on post settings. And now go to featured images tab. As you can see, this is the featured image to replace. Click on replace image. You can select one from your already uploaded images from your media library, or you can go with the free images from the Unsplash service, or you can upload it from your computer. Now let's go with this image. Click on add to page, then hit save. And don't forget to update your website. Now let's see my home page to check this blog post featured image. As you can see, this is my new featured image, and this is how to change your featured blog post image in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to categorize blog posts in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside Website Builder in Hostinger, and first go to this blog icon. To create your categories first, click on this little icon. As you can see, these are my current categories as tips and news. If you want to add a new category, just click on this button. Give your new category a name, for example, personal, and hit this check button. As you can see, now it is added in my available categories. To link one of your categories or multiple categories to one of your blog posts, just open your blog post from this list. As you can see, this blog post is under tips and news. And to add also the personal category to this blog post, go to post settings and go to the categories tab. Click on select categories and you can select your new personal category. To remove a category, just click on it and it will be removed just like that. Then hit save. As you can see, my personal category is added, and don't forget to update your website to see your changes live. And this is how to categorize your blog posts in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to schedule a blog post in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside Website Builder in Hostinger. First, go to blog to see your current blog post. Now click on the blog post you want to schedule. And I am now inside the blog post page. Click on post settings from the top menu and scroll down to the bottom. As you can see, schedule post. Enable this option and then select your publishing date. Click on save and don't forget to update your website. As you can see, the status now is scheduled. And this is how to schedule a blog post in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to unpublish a blog post in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my website builder in Hostinger. To first go to blog. As you can see, these are my current published blog posts. To unpublish a blog post, you can click on these little three dots next to your blog post and hit unpublish. As you can see, it was public, now it is current. Don't forget to update your website. Another place where you can unpublish your blog post is from the blog post page. Just click on next to the status. As you can see, now it is public. Just click on it and it is in the draft status now. And always don't forget to update your website to see your changes live. And this is how to unpublish a blog post in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to delete a blog post in Hostinger Website Builder. Now I'm inside my website builder in Hostinger, and to delete a blog post, first go to blog. As you can see, these are my current blog posts. To delete one, just click on these little three dots next to your blog post and then hit delete. Confirm your deletion and don't forget to update your website. And this is how to delete a blog post in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to duplicate a blog post in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside the website builder in Hostinger, and an easy way to duplicate your blog post is to first go to blog. As you can see, these are all of my blog posts, and to duplicate one of them, just click on these little three dots next to your blog post, then select duplicate. As you can see, now I have two of the same blog posts. And don't forget to update your website. And this is how to duplicate a blog post in Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below. In this video, I will show you how to edit the header in Hostinger Builder. I am now inside my website builder. First, you need to click on the header section, then click on edit header. As you can see, you can edit the line spacing. You can also edit the height of the header section. You can play with the header elements placement. I want the logo to be centered, just like that. And from elements, you can show or hide the logo, social icons, and also an easy to see button. I recommend to use this type of buttons in order to redirect your blog or website visitors to the most important page of your blog. It can be a newsletter when you catch your visitors' first name and last name. It can be a shop, it can be a product, a digital products that you sell. I want to keep the social icons showing. And from the logo tab, you can edit the width of the logo and also replace your logo with another photo from your computer, for example. If you want to edit the style of your logo, social icons, or the button, you can select the element from this list, for example, the logo. You can make the header transparent. You can also change the header text font or the text color. As you can see now, my menu or my navigation is text color is changed. I will keep it in black. Let's say I want to edit the button. Select it first. You can call it newsletter, for example. Link it to a page. You can select a page, a web address, or a section, or even an email, phone number, or file download, which is great. Select your page. For example, I want to link it to this page. To open in the same tab, you can edit the color, the text font. I want it to be black. Now the text size, I want to make it bigger. Let's say I want to edit the social icons, for example. Here you can edit your social links, also the placement of the social icons, or you can even delete some. And this is how to edit your header in Hostinger Builder. Don't forget to give this video a like and see you in the next one. In this video, I will show you how to customize your header in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now in Website Builder inside Hostinger, and this is the header section. First thing you can edit on your header section is the logo. If you don't have a logo and you want to add yours, just click on Edit Header, and under Elements, you can enable your logo to start seeing it. And if you want to upload or replace your logo, go to Logo and hit Replace Image. Select your photo, make it a little bit, adjust the size of the logo, and then hit Update. The other thing that you can add or edit in your header section is this navigation links. To add or remove some navigation pages, just go to Pages and Navigation. You can first reorder the navigation elements. For example, I want the home page to be the latest one. You can even create a drop-down style menu. Like for example, I want the blog to be under home. First drag and move it, and instead of moving it under header, make it move it under header but slightly to the right, just like that. And as you can see, now I have the blog under home. You can also hide some elements from your navigation menu. Let's say that I don't want this checklist to be showing. I can just drag and move it under in this place under hidden from navigation, and it is and now it is no more showing in the navigation menu. And always don't forget to update your website to make your changes public. Let's make it, let's undo these actions. Another to edit, you can also edit your another thing you should know is that to hide these social icons, you can just select your header section, click on edit style, edit header, go to elements, and you can enable social icons. Let's say that you want to show them but edit their color. For example, go to style, select social icons from this list. You can first edit your social links or delete a social platform, and you can also reorder them. And for the color, just scroll down a little bit and you will see icon color. Let's pick the red, for example. As you can see, now my social icons are in red. The other, now you can also activate or show or hide this black button or this header button. You can hide it from this element tab. As you can see, show button, enable, disable. Same thing to edit the design of this button. Just go to style, select button. You can edit the text, for example, news letter. You can link it to a page or a web address. You can edit the field color, also the border width and border color. And that's for it. Now let's see the other editing settings that I didn't talk about. Just click on your header section, click on edit header. As you can see, you can make your header sticky or not. You can edit this element space between the elements, also the line spacing and the top and the bottom spacing. You can choose between these header styles. Let's see the logo in the middle. Now let's move to the elements. As I've already talked about this, same thing with your logo. You can even generate a logo using AI. As you can see, it will use 1 credit. Now you can also edit the style of many elements in the header, like the header. Let's select the header. You can make the header transparent. You can change the header color, the header font, text font, or the text color. As you can see, my pages are now in the blue color. And that's all for this video. This is how to change your header in Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will show you how to add a comment section in Hostinger website builder. For this tutorial, I will use a service called power.io. First, sign up for this service. Click on create new app. Look for comments. Click on get app. Then click on publish from the top menu. Now from this left side menu, click on embed with code. Copy this code and head back again to Hostinger website builder. You can add your comment section in any place on your website using the element called embed code. For this video, I will try to add it inside or after one of my blog articles. Click on add section. I want a blank section. Then add this embed code. Place it here, double click it, replace this code, and hit embed code. Now you can resize this comments section as you like. Now click on save, then update your website. My changes are published. Let's check this article. Click on write a comment. As you can see, this is the comments form for your Hostinger website builder. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. In this video, I will show you how to add an FAQ section in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside the website builder, and this is where I want to add an FAQ. First, click on add section. From this list on the left side, select FAQ. As you can see, there are many templates you can use. Let's go with this one. Now, to edit your questions, just double click this bold text, and to edit the answer, click on this little text. After editing your text, don't forget to update your website. And this is how to add an FAQ section in Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will show you how to add an image in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside the website builder. To add an image, it's simple. All you need to do is to click on add element, select this image element and drag and move it here. Now you can place it simply just like that. To edit this image, you can click on edit. You can replace it with another one, for example, this one. You can add an alt text for optimizing this image for SEO. You can also play with the corner radius, overlay opacity. Under action, you can add a link, for example, a link to open in full screen, or open a link to a page or web address, etc. Just select your page and close this window and update this website. You can also edit the shape of this element or animation. Now, for this image, you can generate it using AI. Just describe your image here and click on create images. After that, you will be shown 4 images and click on the one you like to replace it with this one. To change this image, click on this little icon. You are sent directly to your media library, from where you can upload a new photo from your computer. You can use free images from the Unsplash service, or use one of your already uploaded images. You can also crop and position this image. Duplicate this image, or play with the visibility of this image in either mobile or desktop. To delete this image, click on this little delete icon. After that, don't forget to update your website to make your changes live. And this is how to add a photo in Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will show you how to add an image gallery in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside Hostinger website builder. Before showing you how to add an image gallery, let's add a blank section first. To add your image gallery, just go to add element, then select gallery. Drag and move it like that. Move it where you want it. You can make it a little bit bigger or smaller. To add or remove an image to this gallery, just click on Manage Gallery. As you can see, you can either delete an image or add a new one. You can also edit the order of these images, and after that, close this gallery window. To edit this gallery, click on Edit Gallery. You can play with the gallery layout, for example, this layout. You can also play with how many items per row or the gap between photos. If you want to open these images in full screen on a click, select it from here or make nothing on click. In the animation tab, you can edit the gallery animation. After that, don't forget you can also duplicate your gallery. Let's undo this action. You can also play with the visibility of this gallery in mobile and desktop or delete this gallery. And always don't forget to update your website. And this is how to add an image gallery in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to add a video, whether it is from YouTube, Facebook, or local on your computer in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my Hostinger Website Builder. Before adding a video, let's first add a blank section to have a space to work on. Now to add a video from YouTube, just go to add element, click on video and move it here. Click on edit video and replace this link with your link. You can play with settings like autoplay, having a loop in this video, or show video controls. You can also add an animation to this video like that. You can also resize the video size simply like that. You can duplicate this video element, and you can also play with the visibility of this video from YouTube on mobile and also desktop, and you can delete this YouTube video. To add a video from Facebook to Hostinger Website Builder, first locate the video, then get your video link and copy the URL of this link. Then look for something called Facebook Embedded Video Player Configurator and fill in your video link here. Click on Get Code. Then select iframe and copy this code. Then head back to your Hostinger Website Builder, add an element, and look for something called Embed Code. Drag and move it like that, double click it, and replace this code with your Facebook iframe code. Click on Embed Code, and you will see your Facebook video on your Hostinger Website Builder. Now to add a video from your computer to your Hostinger Website Builder, first you need to upload it to your Google Drive, just like that. File upload, locate your video. This is a short video that I will use. As you can see, it is uploading right now. Now that the upload is complete, double click your video and first click on open in new window. This is important in order to get your embed code. Now that your video is opened in a new window, click again on these little three dots and you will see embed item. Double click this code to select it all, then copy it just like that. Go back to your Hostinger Website Builder, add an embed code element, double click this text in order to replace your code and hit embed code. And as you can see, your video now is public on your Hostinger website. Don't forget to update your website. Now that my channels are public, let's view the site live. And this is how to add a video, whether it is from YouTube video or from your computer, to Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will talk about Hostinger Website Builder SEO. I am now inside my website builder in Hostinger, and to access your SEO settings in this platform, go to website settings by clicking on these three dots. Then click on SEO settings. As you can see, first you can start with your website. You can edit your brand name and website language, and then click on save. After that, you see a little help, a little SEO help by bringing your attention to pages that lacks SEO optimization. Then you can see from this list, you can see main pages, and these are all of my pages published on my on this website. And these are my store products that I can also SEO optimize. As you can see, blog posts are not shown in this list, so you need to SEO optimize them manually one by one directly from their pages. Let's start with main pages. As you can see from this page, as you can see from this green check mark, this page is already SEO optimized. I got this green check mark because I used my targeted keyword, which is best hiking jacket for cold weather, in the SEO title and also in the meta description. And you can also add it to the page URL. If you want to not add to fill in this information manually, you can use AI. Just click on your page. Let's try it in this terms and condition page. Click on generate new SEO info. Tell Hostinger about or describe your page. For example, in this page, I am targeting this keyword, best hiking shoes, for example. Click on next. Now they let you select three keywords for your page. For example, I am targeting best shoes or best hiking shoes, and best shoes. Click on next. This is an SEO title and a meta description that you can use. Let's read this SEO title. Find the best hiking shoes for your outdoor adventures. For the meta description, explore a wide selection of the best hiking shoes for all types of terrain. Discover the top rated hiking shoes to enhance your outdoor experience. I am okay with this meta description. As you can see, it is filled automatically for you. Now my meta description length should be a little bit longer. I can add something like 2024 edition. Now I need to use my targeted keyword also in the post URL, just like that. And now I need to use one H1 heading on this page. Let's locate this page. It's called terms and conditions. Now let's go to the terms and conditions page. Go to pages and navigation. Let's locate my terms and conditions. This is my. Now what I need to do is to double click this text and go to the heading and have a heading with my keyword, which is best. Let's say, for example, 7 best hiking shoes for 2024. Select your title or select your title and make it a heading 1 and save this. And don't forget to update your website, my bad. Now let's go back to the SEO settings. As you can see, now I got a green check mark. That means my SEO for this page is optimized. You can do the same thing with the product pages. This is a cup product. First, generate a new SEO info. Tell them about your product. Hit next, then select 3 keywords. Hit next, and they will give you an SEO title and a meta description to use. Follow these instructions and you will get a fully optimized product page. Another thing that I recommend you to do is to get internal linking for your website. For example, go to blog. Let's say that my terms and condition page is now targeting the keyword best hiking shoes. Let's create a new post. Select the casual for the tone of voice, select a length of 500 keyword, and write something similar to hiking shoes. For example, write a blog post about how to choose your outdoor shoes. Click on create content. The title is how to choose the perfect outdoor shoes for your adventures. First, understand your outdoor activities, consider the terrain, evaluate comfort and fit, check for durability and material, don't forget style, test them out. This is an acceptable quality. Now what I need to do is to locate a place or a phrase or a sentence where this article talk about outdoor shoes or something similar to best hiking shoes, and make a backlink to my terms and conditions page targeting best hiking shoes keyword. Let's find the keyword shoes. I can select this word of outdoor shoes, click on link, then link to a page, select page, then my terms and conditions is my page targeting the best hiking shoes keyword. Click on save. Now make this blog post public and hit update website. Let's view my site live. Let's check from blog. Yes, this is my AI written article, and this is my link or backlink to the terms and conditions page targeting the keyword best hiking shoes. Now what I can do is to edit this page and add a photo with the alt text of something similar to hiking shoes. You should not over optimize your page with your targeted keyword to avoid looking suspicious to Google. And this is the basics of Hostinger website builder SEO. If you want me to go deeper on the subject, just let me know in the comments below. In this video, I will show you how to add keywords for your page in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside website builder in Hostinger, and to add an SEO keyword to your page, just go to website settings, then click on SEO settings. Select between your website pages or store product pages. Let's select a page, for example, this store page, and click on generate new SEO info. Now describe your page saying your targeted keyword. For example, this blog post is about my best shoes for hiking, and my target keyword is best hiking shoes 2024. Click on next step. Select 3 keywords for your page. This keyword should be targeted keyword hiking best shoes. Then click on next. And this is an SEO title and a meta description I can use. Let's read the meta description. Discover the top hiking shoes for 2024 in this blog post, featuring the best shoes for hiking and tips for finding the perfect pair. Click on finish. Your keyword is in the SEO title and the meta description, and it should be in your page URL. Now just fill it using your keyboard. Best hiking shoes 2024. Best shoes for hiking. Best This SEO title should contain best hiking shoes. Focus keyword best shoes. As you can see, the length of the meta description is only 132. It should be at least 156 character. Make sure that your keyword is added to the page URL, then the title and the meta description. And this is how to add your keywords in Hostinger website builder. You still also include it in the, for example, the text of the articles, for example. And this is how to add your SEO keyword in Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will show you how to add a meta title and meta description in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my website homepage on Hostinger website builder, and to add a meta title on or meta description, just go to website settings, then click on SEO settings. Select between your website pages or a product pages in order to find your page. For example, click on product pages. As you can see, these are all products available in my store. Let's click on the first product, which is a classic cap product. You can either fill in the SEO title and the meta description yourself, or writing it using AI. Let's use AI for example. This is a product page for my classic cap that I sell online. Click on next. Select your targeting. Select keywords to add to your page. Select 3 keywords for your page. For example, classic cap, cap for sale, and buy cap. Click on next. And this is an SEO title and a meta description written for you using AI. Click on finish. As you can see, this is your SEO title and meta description. And this is how to add a meta title and meta description in Hostinger website builder. This is Hostinger website builder, and let's try to edit a product. Let's add a new photo, images. Let's pick an image. This is my new course logo just created yesterday. If I upload a photo to my store on Hostinger website builder, there is no option to add an alternative text. This is the feature to edit background. This is the delete icon, and here the icon as the center is to reorder your photos. As a little solution that you can use to rank your product photos higher is to use the description to add a new photo, just like that. Click on add media, add your product photo, double click it, and here write your alternative text. For example, for this photo, it's the course logo. Click on insert, and now save your update. After updating your store products, always go to your website to update it and publish your latest changes to your store. Click on update from this corner, and now let's visit our website. Let's go to the store. This is the updated product. This is for the product photos. As you can see, there is no alternative text, but if I hover with the mouse over this course logo, as you can see, this is the alternative text. To reply to our first comment, what you need to do is to start adding your product photos in the description, or you can add them both in the product photos and also in the description. This way you are giving the viewer or your website visitors photos that they can see in the product photo slider, and for the Google search engines, they have photos that they can crawl and rank high. I hope that answers your comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and a comment, and see you in the next video. Thank you. In this video, I will show you how to use hidden tags for SEO in Hostinger Website Builder. I am inside my Hostinger Website Builder, and let's first create an empty page to make things easier for us. This is an empty page. Now let's add a blank section. Now let's add a text element. Let's duplicate it first. These are to make this blank page a little bit longer, use this section height tool. And now let's start to use how to use for any page. It's better for in any page for better SEO purposes and also human reading. Your first title should be a heading number 1. You should only use heading number 1. Let's make it H1 title. Then below it you can use an H2 title. H2. Now you can use another H2 just like that. Heading 2. Let's make sure this is a heading 2. And under a heading 2, you should use a heading 3. This is heading 3. Same thing here, heading 3. And if you want to use a heading 2, it should not be under another heading 2. It should be below a heading 2, just like that. Let's delete this one. To have a heading 4, let's say we have a heading 4. It should be below or inside a heading 3. This is how to use. To recap, your page should have a 1H1 title, to not confuse search engine, and below H1 you can use multiple H2 titles, and below any H2 you can use H3 and go on. And this is how to use hidden tags for SEO in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to hide a page from search engines. I am now inside the home page of my website in Hostinger Website Builder. To prevent a page from being indexed, just go to Website Settings, then click on SEO Settings. Now, next to hide page from search engine, you can enable this option. Then close this window, and don't forget to update your website to reflect your changes online. Next time that a search engine like Google visits this page, it will see a no index tag, and it will remove it if it is already indexed or not indexed in the first time. And this is how to prevent a page from being indexed in Hostinger website. In this video, I will share with you how to optimize your photos for search engines in Hostinger Website Builder. First, let's log in to my Hostinger account. Then go to Websites and select Websites list. Now click on this Edit Website button next to your website. If you have a long list of different websites here and you want an easy way to distinguish between WordPress websites and the other websites built using Hostinger Builder, just look for this little icon next to each website. These first two websites are using WordPress, and the third one is built using Hostinger Builder. Click on Edit Website button. For this example or for this tutorial, I will use this blog post page in order to explain you how to optimize your photos or images in Hostinger Builder for SEO. To add a photo in Hostinger Website Builder, we usually click on Add Element and select this image element. We drag and drop it like that and we move on. This is not good. Why? First, the images provided or the free images provided by default in Hostinger Website Builder use images from the pixels.com website. Yes, this is free, and they have a large stock of free photos, but these photos are large or big in terms of their size, which makes our websites load slower. To avoid this, go directly to the images service that they use. It's called Pixels. This is the website pixels.com. Search for your photo first, and when you locate your photo, you can copy it like that and go to this online alternative for Photoshop called photop.com. Now, to pass your copied photo here, just click on Command plus V on Mac or Control V on PCs. Now, do not touch this photo. All we need to do is to export it again in a lightweight photo. Go to Files first, then Export As and select JPG. Now, the default width is more than 2000 pixels. As you can see, the current size is 245 kilobytes. It is already small. To make it smaller, just drop it down the width to 800 and something. As you can see, the image size turns down to just 50 kilobytes, which will make my page load faster. You can also use this quality slider to play with the image size. As you can see, the top quality makes the photo bigger in terms of size. Now click on Save. My photo is saved to my computer. Now, when I add my photo again, instead of going with free images, I will click on Upload File. Your photo on your computer, double click it, and click on Select. This is my first tip of how to optimize photos in Hostinger Website Builder. The second tip is to use the alternative text. Where is my photo? Select the photo first, click on Edit Image, and here give your photo an alternative text to help it rank in Google Photos results and bring you some traffic. And also make it for people who have vision disability to scan or to understand your photo. And also at the same time, I think this is an SEO factor that Google uses to rank your website higher. For example, you can just describe your photo. For example, a kid holding an axe in the backyard, for example. Now close this window and update your website. Let's view my website live. This is the blog post, and as you can see, it was instantly completely loaded, even though my internet speed is not that fast. And this is the photo, and if you place the mouse pointer on top of it, as you can see, the alternative text starts showing. And this is how to SEO optimize images in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comment below. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. In this video, I will show you how to verify your Hostinger Builder website in Google Search Console. I am now inside my website builder in Hostinger. And to get your exact domain name, click on this address, then copy this domain name and go to Google Search Console. First, go with a URL prefix instead of domain, and this is a critical step to not avoid. Then fill in your exact domain name and hit continue. As you can see, you can verify your website ownership using different methods. We will go with the HTML tag. Now, to copy this text, just click on this copy button. Now, head back to Hostinger Website Builder and click on Website Settings. Then Integrations. Then click on Connect next to Custom Code and fill in your code. And don't forget to save your changes. And after that, update your website to reflect your changes online. Now that my website changes are published, let's go back to Google Search Console and click on Verify. As you can see, the first try didn't succeed. Just repeat the process. Click again on Verify. And as you can see, my ownership is verified now. And this is how to verify your Hostinger Builder website in Google Search Console. In this video, I will show you where to find your Hostinger website sitemap in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my Hostinger Website Builders. To locate your map, first click on your domain name to access your website live. Then add /sitemap.xml. Then hit enter. And this is your sitemap. Your sitemap link is this one. And you can now add it to Google Search Console, for example. And this is how to find your website sitemap in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to request Google to index a page in your website in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my website builder in Hostinger, and first visit your website just like that. Now locate the page you want to index. For example, let's say I want to index this page in Google. Copy the page URL, then go to Google Search Console. Fill in your page URL here and hit enter. As you can see, this page URL is not on Google, and to request Google to index it, just click on this request indexing link. As you can see, my request was added successfully. Now click on dismiss. To check if this page was indexed successfully after some few days, you can just copy this link and search for site, 2 dots, and your page URL. It should be appearing here. And this is how to request Google to index a page of your website in Hostinger. In this video, I will share with you 10 SEO tips to boost your Hostinger website builder website traffic. First, let's log in to my Hostinger account first. Go to websites, websites list, and click on edit website. This is my website on Hostinger Website Builder, and let's start with the first tip. The first SEO tip is to keep your URL structure short and keyword rich. For example, when you are using your blog, for example, and creating a new blog post, your blog post link should be, go to post settings, and here your blog post URL should be short and keyword rich. For example, this blog post, let's say you are writing 10 SEO tips to boost your Hostinger website builder website traffic. Avoid keywords like 10, for example, tips, because no one, I think, search for tips. For example, 2, also boost your, avoid these words. Go straight to Hostinger website builder SEO. Then click on save. The second tip is to use low competition keywords for easier ranking. If you don't know how to get low competition keywords, it is easier. The first way is to use tools, SEO tools like Uber Suggest. This is a low cost SEO keyword research tool. You can get a lifetime individual license for only $120. This is the license I have. You go to the keywords ideas. Let's search for example gardening or best gardening. Select the location first and also the language and hit search. And just like that, you will get many keywords ideas. Go to the SEO difficulty, select easy, and all of these keywords are easy to rank for. Generally speaking, the longer the keyword is, the easier it is to rank. The third tip is to place keywords naturally in your titles, headings, meta description, and content. Let's say we are writing an article about the best garden weed killers. This keyword should be in your post title, the post description. Let's use ChatGPT to write us this post. I am writing a blog post to target this keyword. Give me ideas for post title, post description, post URL, and post content. Best garden weed killer, top picks for a weed free yard. Best weed killers for gardens, safe and effective solutions. The ultimate guide to the best in. This is also how to choose the best. Top 10 for Lush weed free. This is my preferred post title. I will use it like that. Looking for the best garden weed killer to keep your yard weed free. This guide reviews the top. This is the post URL. I think this, let's save this. Now for the post content, this is my 1000 words blog post. Now you need to add photos to your blog post with SEO optimized descriptions. To add a photo, it's simple. Click on add element, select the image element and place it like that. Click on edit image, replace image. This is the photo that I will use. Add to page and let's make a little bit of space and place your photo just like that. To give your photo a description, or it's called an alternative text. Here, for example, a person using the weed killer, for example. Close this window. Same thing for your content. It should have the keyword best garden. As you can see, now let's make this heading an heading 3 or heading 2. Now we have my keyword in a heading 2. Next tip, optimize free images. Here, when I added this photo, instead of adding photos using this free images feature in Hostinger, I recommend you to go directly to the Pixel's websites or service that they use and copy the image from this preview and open this website called photop.com. It is an online alternative for Photoshop. Click on Command V on Mac or Control V on PC and export the image in a lightweight size. Now, instead of having a multiple 1 megabyte photos, here you only need just for the width, for example, make it around 800. And as you can see, let's first it was around 2000. As you can see here, the size is 700 kilobytes when you jump down to 850, the photo size becomes very lightweight. You can also use this quality slider to further optimize the photo size. Click on save and go back to your website editor. And now, instead of going with free images, upload your optimized photo from your computer. Click on select and don't forget to give it an alternative text. For example, a person killing weed in his garden. Close this window. This is an SEO optimized way to upload or to use photos in Hostinger website builder. Same thing, optimize your website for mobile. Now go to the smartphone viewer and make sure that your photos are well placed, and also your text is well shown, the borders are respected in order to be useful for your visitors on their mobile devices. Because if I visit a website and I see that the page is not optimized for mobile, I will return to the Google search results if I came from Google, and this kills your website ranking on Google. An easy way to link two relevant pages together to improve crawlability and user engagement is to use categories. To do that, click on post settings. Where is the categories? This is it. And give your or start using categories. For example, gardening tools. Let's say this blog post is about gardening tools. When after reading or before reading this blog post, if he is really interested with gardening tools from articles from me, he can only click on this category. This way I have higher chances of keep this reader visiting my website or crawling my other articles. The next tip is to use descriptive anchor texts. For example, instead of going with simple click here links, it is better to go with check out my gardening tools ideas, for example. The next tip is to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. If you don't know how to do it, just look for Hostinger Website Builder sitemap and add Ben's experience. You will see how to find your sitemap in Hostinger Website Builder and also how to submit it to Google Search Console. And if you don't have your Google Search Console, just add Google Search Console and you will see how to create one and link it to your Hostinger website builder website. The next tip is to regularly refresh existing content. This is not limited to only your blog posts, it is also applicable on your website homepage and also your about me page and so on. And the last tip is to fix broken links to maintain a healthy website. How to do that? Just look for broken links detector on Google and you have multiple free tools that I think you only need to fill in your website address and the tool started crawling your website for broken links. And when you find multiple broken links, just edit your website and leave or change these websites. And that was my 10 SEO tips to boost your Hostinger website builder website traffic. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. In this video, I will show you how to make your website faster in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my website homepage in Hostinger website builder. What makes Hostinger builder websites load slower is these big images. As you can see here, I use an HD photo or a big size photo. Same thing with these small featured images. Now, even this image is small. Let's open it in a new tab to see the size. As you can see, let's save this image. As you can see, the size of this photo is more than 1 megabyte. This is what makes my website slow. First, limit the use of photos This is the first step. The next step, or the photos that you cannot skip on, you need to optimize them or resize them to make them small in size. As you can see, this is the first image, this is the second, third, the fourth and the fifth image. Now I use 5 images plus 8 images for IG and one for this contact form. So to resize these images, instead of using your images from the Unsplash service, for example, let's edit this image, replace. Instead of using big photos from this service Unsplash, which gives you HD photos, instead of that, select your websites from this service, open it in a new tab, copy it like that, and go to this online Photoshop called photop.com. Now, since your photo is copied to clipboard, just hit Ctrl V or Command V on MacBook. Now go to File, then Export As, and select JPG. As you can see now, my image is just 11 kilobytes. It's I think it's around 1% of the original size. You can adjust the size of the photo by using this quality slider. As you can see, the more quality you get, the bigger the photo. Now hit save. Now my photo is downloaded to my computer, and go back to Hostinger website builder, change your photo, click on replace, and now instead of using this Unsplash service, click on upload file. Now this is the original one with 1.2 megabytes. Let's find my image. This is just 49 kilobytes. Click on open. As you can see, it is added to my library. Click on select and it will be replaced. Yes, the quality is a little bit lower, but the benefit of the fast loading is more important for us website makers. Don't forget, this is just an image in this blog post. To change the featured image that appear in homepage, go to post settings, then this featured image tab. This image should also be replaced with the small size photos. Repeat this for all the images appearing on your website, and your website will load faster for your visitors and also search engines. And this is how to make your website faster in Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will show you how to add a subscribe form in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my Hostinger website builder. Let's first add a blank section. Now to add a subscribe form, just click on add element, drag and move this subscribe element. You can make it or resize it just like that. Now click on edit form. Before that, you can duplicate this form. You can play with visibility on mobile and desktop, or you can delete it just like that. To edit this form, just click on edit form. You can edit the form name, for example, interested in my newsletter, then hit save. You can also, before viewing the form submissions, you can change the email address where you will receive notifications for each form submissions. And you can also view your submissions here, just from the form settings by clicking on this button. In the fields tab, you can edit or add a tab, for example, a short answer. You can also add a paragraph, add a single choice like that, or add multiple choices. To edit the text of this field, just open the field and edit the field label, for example, first name. You can also edit the placeholder text, your first name. You can change the field type from text, email, or phone number, and you can also make it a required. Let's first make it a text, and as you can see, you can make it required or not. You can also play with the order of these lists. As you can see now, the short answer is the latest one. After that, you can edit also the button text. For example, send. As you can see, it is edited instantaneously. You can also edit the event that will happen after a form or after a successful form submission, between showing a message that you can edit here or link to another page of your website. From the style tab, you can edit the styles of the submission button, form fields, or the background. For the background, you can also play with the border color, make the border width a little bit bigger in order to see your color, and you can play with the form animation. To view your subscribe form submissions, just go to website settings, then click on form submissions. As you can see, you can see multiple forms. To see the subscriptions of the form I was just editing, which is called interested in my newsletter, click on view list. You can also export your submissions in an CSV file. And this is how to add a subscribe form in Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will show you how to add social icons in Hostinger website builder. To add social icons in the header section, it's simple. First select the header section, then click on edit header. Then go to elements and enable social icon. To edit the color and the size of these social icons, just go to style, select social icons, and you can edit the social links or delete a social platform, for example. You can also reorder or edit the order of the icons and also play with the size or edit the icons color. To add a social icons to any place on your website, for example, the footer, just click on add element, select the social icons element, drag and drop it in the footer, for example, then click on edit social icons. Similar to the header section, you can edit the social links, reposition the social platforms, and also play with the social icons and also the color, just like that. And this is how to add social icons in Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will share with you how to add social media links in Hostinger website builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and select websites list. If you have multiple websites in this list and you want an easy way to distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger Builder, just look for this little icon next to each website. These first two websites are WordPress websites, and the third one is built using Hostinger website builder. Click on edit website button. These are my social media links added on this website built using Hostinger website builder. How to have your own ones here? Just select the header section first, click on this edit header button and go to the elements tab and check this option or enable this option next to show social icons. As you can see, they are automatically added in this black color. Click on edit social icons to go directly to the style tab and select social icons from this list. Now you can add a new link, for example, TikTok. Let's say I want to add my TikTok, for example, Ben's experience. Click on this check button and the social media platform icon will be automatically added for you. Now let's say I don't have LinkedIn, and to delete it, click on this little wheel and select delete. And to add your own links here, just click on this, on the same wheel, and click on edit, and here fill in your social link. And to replace, on to reorder them, just drag them from these six dots and order them as you want. Now to edit the the icons designs in the normal stage, you can make them bigger or smaller using this icon size slider. Same thing for the icon color, you can pick it from this list. Let's go with this blue color. You can also edit the icons design on the hover stage. Hover means when the mouse pointer is on top of this link. Let's say on the hover stage I want to make them red. Click on icon color, select red, and now when the mouse pointer is on top of each social media platform icon, the color turns to red. Now close this window and don't forget to update your website to view your changes live. These are my links, and if I place my icon, my mouse pointer on top of them, they turn to this red color. And this is how to add social media links in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. In this video, I will show you how to add a Facebook share button in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my website homepage on Hostinger website builder, and let's say I want to add a Facebook share button to this page on my website. First, look for something called Facebook share button configurator. Once you're inside this page, click on share button configurator, fill in your page URL. For example, this for this page, for example, this is my page URL. This is my full page URL to fill here. Then you can select the layout of your button. For example, a box count, a button. Let's go with a button, a large button, and hit get code. Go to iframe and copy this code. Then go to Hostinger website builder, add an element, select embed code, and replace it with your Facebook iframe. Hit embed code. As you can see, my button is added here. Now let's update my website. Now that my changes are published online, let's check the result. I want this code, go to, and this is my Facebook share button added to my website on Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will show you how to add a cookie banner in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my website builder in Hostinger, and to add a cookie banner to your website, just go to website settings, then click on general settings. Now click on update next to cookie banner and enable this cookie banner option. Don't forget to save your changes and also update your website. Let's view my website live. And this is how to add a cookie banner in Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will show you how to add a sticky bar at the top of your website in Hostinger website builder. This is my website homepage inside Hostinger website builder. And to add a sticky bar to this website, all you need to do is to hover with your mouse over the header section, then click on add sticky bar. As you can see, a new bar is added at the top. Now you can edit your text. For example, since this is an outdoor or a hiking blog, I can use something like what to bring on a hike. Download my checklist. To add a link to the text of this sticky bar, it's simple. First, you need to visit your website. This is the page I want my sticky bar visitors to go to. Copy the page link, then select the text you want to turn to a link, then hit Command V on Mac or Control V on PC. As you can see, an underline is added to my text. This means that my link or web link is added successfully. Let's update my website and let's see it live. As you can see, my sticky bar is added successfully, and let's check the link. My link is working as it should be. Now let's see some design options. You can click on edit section. You can select a section color or a section background image. And for the layout, you can adjust your sticky bar height. And this is how to add a sticky bar in Hostinger website builder. Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a PayPal button in Hostinger website builder. I am now in my website homepage on Hostinger website builder. This is my page where I want to add my PayPal button. First thing, go to Google and search for PayPal, pay links and buttons. Then go to this page. This is the website page, paypal.com/buttons. Select one of these types of buttons. Let's go with this one. The product name field is required. For example, check list and hit build it again. Go to button code, click on copy HTML code. Now go back to Hostinger website builder, click on add element, go with an embed code and paste it here. Double click it to replace this code with your PayPal one. Click on embed code. This is your PayPal button. Now update your website to reflect your changes online. And let's view my website live. Go to checklist. And this is how to add a PayPal button to Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will show you how to accept donations using Hostinger website builder. I'm now inside my Hostinger website builder, and to accept donations using this builder, first you need to enable your store on this website. I already have these options. After that, you need to set up your payment method in this store. To do that, just go to Store Manager. Then from this left side menu, click on Store Settings and click on Payments. You need to enable at least one payment method. For this video, I will go with manual payment. Select your payment method name, for example, manual payment. Click on Save. Now that you have at least one payment method in your store, go to Products and hit Add Product. Select Donation. Here you can upload an product image. Fill in your product title, for example, donation. You can also add a description. Under pricing, select, for example, $1. And if you want to set different donation amounts, for example, for $5, $10, then $20, click on under options, click on add option. Fill in something like donation amount. You can select here $4. then add new $10, $20, and $100, for example. Then click on save. Now hit save. You need to go to your website editor to publish or to update your website. Click on go to editor. Now click on update your website. Close this window. To add a donation section to this page, just go to add a section. From this left side menu, click on online store. Select a single product. Now we need to link our product to this section. Click on edit section. And from the product list, select your donation product. As you can see, if you don't find your donation product in this list, just add a photo to your product in the store manager. Now you can edit the layout of this product, also the image placement, the image ratio, and also the image corner radius. Let's see what we can edit the text color, also the arrows. You can go with a background photo. Let's go with this gray color. And for the button, you can change the shape. Let's not go this deep. Here you can edit the field color, the text, the border of just the button. And here you can edit the quantity. After that, click on update website again. And let's see my website live. This is my website homepage, and this is the donation section. As you can see, it's called donation. The amount is $1, and here people can go with extras. Add to bag. Click on checkout. And this is how to accept donations using Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will show you how to create a sales page in Hostinger Website Builder to sell your digital course online. After posting my video about building a restaurant website using Hostinger Website Builder, I got a request from Stephanie Williams asking for how to create a sales page to sell his online course online. First, let's go back to my website editor. Click on Pages and Navigation and hit Add Page. Instead of designing a new page from scratch, I will give the Hostinger AI a try. Create a sales page to sell my Amazon influencer online course. Hit create page, and this is the result I got using this prompt. As we all see, this is a super basic sales page. All I need I will use is this customers section. Now instead of creating or imagining or designing this sales page from my imagination, I will copy this sales page from Authority Hacker. Now to make this design, it's simple. Just first let's remove all of these sections and keep the footer and the customers. Now let's add a blank section to make this welcoming section. To make this text, it's simple. Just add the text element, make them a paragraph, and make them bold. My story. Instead of making multiple text elements, I will go with one. Now first let's make the background It's simple. Select this section, click on edit section, go to background, select image and hit add image. Go with free images and look for background. Let's go with this photo. To resize this section, you can use this up and down arrows. I cleared the formatting because I copied also the white background. Now let's make them white, bold, and add spaces between my menu elements. Now same thing with this text. Add a new text element, double click it, select the heading 1, reselect it again, give it the white color and make it bold. Now let's work on this white text. I will go with the style heading 3, make it a little bit and center it. Edit text, select it and center it just like that. Same thing with this little text. Double click it or click on edit text, replace it and give it the white color and adjust it just like this. I think I will use another background. This one is not good for white text. Instead of an image, I will go with a color. Select it from here. Let's go with this blue with this color. Hit save. Now to add a video, it's simple. Click on add element, select video. I've already made a tutorial to show you how to add a video from YouTube from your computer. If you have a video on your computer and you want to show it on Hostinger website builder, the trick is uploading it to your Google Drive and then get the embed code and use this embed code element, this one. Now let's see what's below. Now, this is a button. You can easily create another one just like that. Add element, add a button, resize it just like that. Get started now. Double click the text, fill in your text here. You can link it to a page or a section or I will fix this button later. Click on edit button. I will go for the style. I will go with this color, and for the text color, or yes, I want to resize the text size, not the text color. For these photos, it's a simple photo. I will copy or save it to my computer. Now let's add a photo. Click on upload files, select it. After the upload is complete, click on select. Go to style and click on reset image proportions, and now your photos or your photo is correct. Now I still lack this sentence. Add text element, double click it, format the text, make it paragraph 1 and white color. Now resize this section just like that. And for the little details like the color and the text placement, it's I can't for this video I'm just explaining the method. Same thing for this section. Click on add a new section, select blank, resize it just like that, give it a dark color, click on edit section color, give it a dark color like this one, add a text element here for this featured in text, give it a white color, and add photos. Select your image here, same thing, click on style, reset image, and resize it just like that. Same thing for the other photos. I will skip this step to not lose time. For the text, it should be, you should know by this step how to add text. Now I will add another blank section to start working on this part of the sales page. As you can see, it's all text and photos. To add a title, just use a text element, double click it, and resize it. I can go with this style, make it a little bit bigger, resize the text, and add another text element. Instead of clicking the text element from this window, it's better to drag and move it. Now double click it, paste your text, select it all, select paragraph 1, give it, you can edit the text color by this step. Let's add this photo. If you still need any help, just let me know in the comments below. Style, reset, and drag and move it here. Make it a little bit bigger. Just like that, and keep adding all the text and photos elements for your page. Here is this a photo, it's similar, a new section, blank section, edit the background, add a text element, add a photo element. Same thing here. Same thing for this section. Same thing for this photo, for this text, for this video. I've already shown you how to do a video. Now let's see how to make this square on top of this background. Let's make a new blank section. Let's give it a color, for example, a gray color. Like this one. Now click on add element. This is a shape. Edit it just like that. To edit this shape color, click on change colors, select white, and start adding your photo element and text element. Same thing with this button, photo and little text. This section is simple, a section with a white background, a big text, and some photo. This line design, I don't think you can, is also possible with the Hostinger builder. Same thing, let's do it. Let's apply it here, add element, I will go with the shape element and change shape and go with this line, and you can add it here. Give it a color and place your text above it just like that. Now keep scrolling. All of this page is built using text element and photos. Now let's go to the bottom where there are more complex, or let's go straight to the checkout or the buy button. Frequently asked questions, you can add them using I think yes, or how to add a section. Yes, click on add section, go to FAQ, select your template, for example just like this, and edit the text. Click on create a section, blank section, add shape. Let's make the background a little bit gray and this square shape white. Add a little bit of text here. Now let's see how to get the PayPal buy now button. First, go to Google and look for how to get PayPal button. Click on this page, the first page. Log into your PayPal account. Let's go with the buy now button. Click on it. Here you can allow customers to enter their own price. We don't need that. Same thing with the product quantity. Let's give our product a name. For example, Amazon influencer course price. Let's go with 99. You can edit the button size, text, country, show the card logos or not, and under optional settings it's important or how tracking works selling your online course. You need to create a thank you page with your tracking code. For example, let's say that you track sales using Facebook. This creates a thank you page that with a simple text like thank you, but in the with a tracking code. So with your Google Analytics or Facebook Ads platform, you can track how many visitors visited this page, and this means with a visit to the thank you page, it means a completed sale. Here, fill in your thank you page. They call it return page, and for you can also create a cancelled checkout page to redirect people to retry again. For example, hit save and create button, and this is the code to copy. Click on copy code, and now go back to your website builder. Click on add element. Let's go with embed code, drag and move it, hit enter code, and select this code first and replace it with the PayPal button code. Click on embed code. If your button keeps hiding just like that and does not want to resize correctly, just duplicate it like that and it will start showing up correctly. Now delete the first element and hit update website. Let's check this page online, and this is my sales page for my online course. Frequently asked, and let's click on buy now. As you see, this is my course price, and here I need to log in to pay with PayPal. If you want to offer your course to be paid using credit card, you can use Stripe, but if you can't use Stripe for any reasons, you can go with this payment gateway called Paddle. As you can see, I already have I already used this payment gateway to sell digital products online. I'll first create an account with paddle.com. Go to products. These are all of my available products right now. First, click on new product. Give your product a name, a checkout custom message, set an icon, a product description, tax tax category, and a fulfillment method. Let's go with the send a download link with no license. Click on continue and follow the steps. I don't want to add a new product, so I will go with already available ones here. Just click on these little three dots next to your product and click on checkout link. This is the checkout link you need to add. With a checkout link, you can add a button to your Hostinger website builder and link this that sends to this link. Let's visit it to see the checkout page. As you can see, this is a little information about your product. You can pay with PayPal or a credit card. This is the best feature of Paddle, that you can accept credit card payments without having an LLC anywhere in the world. You can also go with overlay checkout, which means after hitting the buy now button, this new window will pop up. If you want to go with the overlay checkout, I can't explain it for you because it requires playing with the code, which I don't know. From my experience, if you have a WordPress website, paddle.com offers an official plugin or WordPress plugin that integrates your account or your product with WordPress. So you get the overlay checkout without touching the code. I hope that was clear. If you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Forgive me for if I made any mistakes. I didn't sleep this night and I continue working. So thank you again, and don't forget to give this video a like. In this video, I will share with you how to sell digital products online on Hostinger website builder. This is the product page that we'll see how to create in this video. This is the title, the subtitle, the price, add to bag, the collapsible sections, the product photos, the product description, video, text, images, and also the related products. Without any further ado, let's start with how to create your online store on Hostinger website builder. First, let's log in to my Hostinger account. Then click on websites, select websites list, and click on add website. From this list, select Hostinger website builder. And now let's give the Hostinger AI our store idea. First, my brand name is, for example, let's go with focus downloads. And for the description, you can use something like, I want to sell digital products like digital planners. My online store goal is to help people stay focused and achieve their goals. As you can see, this is a great description. And for adding online store to my website, yes, I want an online store. Hit create a website and wait a moment. And this is the first result of this prompt. As you can see, this is a simple website. If you are satisfied with this, you can hit continue. If you are not, you can hit this create again button. And if you want back and edit your prompt and you get multiple different results, you can switch between these results from this version history list. You can choose from the last 5 versions. Here you can switch between computer preview and laptop preview. And from this colors palette, you can select different colors for your new online store. I will go with blue color palette, and I am satisfied with this result, so I will go with continue. This is my new store, and now to publish this online store or to access it online, you need to click on this go live button. Click on view site, and this is your online store. Now let's add my first digital product. So I will switch from website builder to manage store. And now I will go to products. Then click on add product. From this pop-up window, I will select digital product. Here I can upload my images simply, or upload images and request product details using AI. I will go with this first option. This is the photos of my digital product. Click on open. The AI now is creating text for this product. And here we go. The suggested title is weekly planner. The subtitles organize your week efficiently, ribbon bestseller, and this is the product description. After reading this AI suggested text, you can edit it yourself. For this description, even you see just text here, you can write big title, for example, make it H2. You can add a video here. This is my YouTube video link. You can also add an image. I will add it here. I will add my photo here. I will upload one of my. Click on insert, and your new photo will be inserted here. Check my digital setup guide. After the description, let's move down to the pricing. Here you can select between giving it for free or selecting an amount. In my case, I will go with an amount. The default price is, let's say, I sell it for 49, and the discounted price will be just 27. For the SKU, I can go with, for example, weekly planner 1. You can track quantity, but since this is a digital product, I think tracking quantity is not correct. If you check this option next to hide add to back button, your store will turn to a product catalog instead of an online store. So here I will uncheck it. Here you need to upload your digital product that the buyer will receive after paying you. Let's say this is my product. This is my digital product. I will upload it, and you can upload up to 10 files with a maximum total size of all files 100 megabytes. If your digital product size is more than 100 megabytes, you can switch to adding a link. Here you can fill in your digital planner, your digital product download link from here. It can be a Google Drive link, a Dropbox, or even your own website download page link. In my case, I will go with upload file. As you can see, my uploaded file is this one. You can upload multiple files. As you can see, let's duplicate. This is my second file, and here you can set your download link availability for just 24 hours, 48, 7 days, or even 30 days. In my case, I will go with 48 hours. I think it is enough. And under additional info section, you can add, for example, collapsible paragraphs like, for example, shipping policy, return policy, for example, guarantees. For the first info section, I will use this 30-day refund collapsible paragraph, and this is the content. Save. I will add a second. After adding my info sections, I will reorder them just like that. Included files first, then installation guide, then the money back guarantee. Below that, we found the custom field. Here you can let your potential customers customize their products. In our case, we don't use customization, so we'll skip this step. And here in the categories field, this is very important. Here you need to assign a category in order to keep your store organized later. The AI suggests this category called weekly planner, which is good, so I will select it. Now this category is assigned, and below my product image or product details, you can show related products. This is good. So, and this section will be titled "You may also like." And for the conditions, you can only show products from the weekly planner category or the all products available on your store. I will go with all products. Let's verify our digital products info. This is the images, the title, the subtitle, ribbon, description, pricing, SKU. This is the downloadable products, the info section, the categories, and the related product. Now let's hit this save button. Now, even though your product is added here, it is not available if you check your shop page, because you still need to switch to the website builder and hit this update website button. Now, if I refresh this page, I will see my product, my newly added product here. And this is how to add your digital products to your store in Hostinger website builder. Let's check my products page, weekly planner. This is the title, the subtitle, original price, discounted price, add to bag. This is the info section. The first one is this one, installation guide, money back guarantee, and this is my product photos. You can also switch your product photo from here, and this is my product description, the setup guide, the video, text, the photo, and this is the related products. And this is how to sell digital products online on Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. In this video, I will show you how to add a product search bar in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my Hostinger website builder. In order to add a product search bar, go to add element, then select this product search element and move it right here. You can resize it simply just like that. You can also edit this search bar by clicking on edit search. As you can see, you can edit the placeholder text. For example, enter your keyword, for example, You can also edit the text of no results. You can also play with the style of the fill color, for example, like this. Let's keep it in white. The text and icon color, you can also edit it. You can also change the text font. For the border colors, you can go with a color, and the corner radius. For the animation, you can add an animation just like that. And don't forget to update your website. And this is how to add a product search bar in Hostinger website. In this video, I will show you how to edit the mobile version of our website in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my website builder. To edit the mobile version of your website, just click on this little mobile icon and you can slightly edit your mobile version elements. You can, for example, edit this text placement, for example, a little bit closer. As you can see, I will delete these social elements, and don't forget to update your website after your edit on mobile. And this is how to edit the mobile version of a website in Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will show you how to preview your website in Hostinger website builder. Once you're inside the website editor, from the top bar, click on preview. As you can see, we are now inside the preview mode. You can browse your website as if it was live. To preview in the mobile mode, just click on this little mobile icon from the top right corner. This is the mobile version. To exit this preview mode, just click on this back to editor button. In this video, I will show you how to publish your website in Hostinger website builder. Once you're inside the website editor, from the top bar, click on Go Live. As you can see, my website is live and I can view it. In this video, I will show you how to update your website in Hostinger website builder. After editing your website, all you need to do is to click on this update website button. If you don't press this update button, your modifications will not be live. After updating your website, you can view it from here. In this video, I will show you how to unpublish your website on Hostinger website builder. This is my website that I will unpublish in this tutorial. It's called benstestinghosting.com. It is built with Hostinger website builder. Let's check it first. This is the home page of this website. This is the website in Hostinger website builder. What I will do to unpublish this website is to first make a duplicate or make a copy of this website. Then first delete the original one, and then the duplicate version will remain unpublished. In order to do that, just go to your website's page in your Hostinger account. Next to your website you want to unpublish, click on duplicate website. Click on select plan. Now this is my duplicated website. Let's see it in the Hostinger website builder. As you can see, I have the go live button. This means it is unpublished. Now go back to this website's page, click on the original site and hit delete. Yes, I understand. I will copy this domain name because I will need it in just some seconds and hit delete. As you can see, it may take up to 10 minutes for this site to be deleted. My original website was deleted successfully. Now click on edit website next to the duplicated website. With your mouse, hover over this long preview or temporary domain and hit connect domain. Fill in your domain name, click on own it, and click on next. As you can see, my domain now is connected successfully. I can go back to the Hostinger builder. Now, as you can see, my domain is connected successfully and it is still unpublished. Let's see if I click on this domain name, what I will see. As you can see, no one can access this website anymore. And this is how to unpublish your website in Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will show you how to manage your blog settings in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside the blog page on my website. To go to your blog settings, just click on this little blog icon. You can first, these are your published or all of your blog posts. You can, for each blog post, you can edit the post directly. To start editing, for example, the big photo, the text, or either the status of your article. You can also edit or the post URL. To edit the post URL, you can duplicate this blog post, go to post settings, or make it unpublished. You can also create a QR code to send people directly to this blog post or delete it completely. Also, from this little circle at the bottom, you can add or manage your blog categories. You can create a new one, for example, books, a books category on your site. Now close this window. From here, from these tabs, you can see your drafts, your blog posts in drafts, scheduled or published. To add a new blog post, just click on this add new post. Now I am inside this blog post page. First thing you can edit or for your blog post setting is this post settings. From the post settings, you can edit the blog post title, post description, for example, description here. We will see it how it shows. You can also edit the post URL, the author, for example, I can add Ben. You can edit the publishing date or schedule this blog post to be published in the future. For the featured image, you can change it from here. Featured image is the page that you will see not inside your blog post, but in the other places on your blog or website, like the homepage, for example. And you can also manage your categories from this page. Continue editing. Let's hit save. You can also make this change the status of this blog post but by just clicking on public to make it a draft, or click on draft to make it public. You can preview your blog posts from here. Back to the editor. You can edit the header. This is the header of or blog post header. You can edit it just by clicking on edit blog header. You can edit the text size, the visibility of multiple elements like the blog categories. You can hide it just from here. Same thing with the author, the publishing date and reading time. You can play with the layout, adjust the layout of this header and add a color, an image, or a video to this blog post header. Now let's move to below the header. This you can add an image. You can resize the image, make it, adjust it just like that. And here you can add or edit your blog post content. To add some elements like text, You can just and add it here. If you don't have space for these elements, just create a new section or make this section longer just from this section adjust height adjustment. You can make it a little bit longer. After finishing editing your blog post, you can first change the status to public and then update your website. This is how to manage your blog settings in Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will show you how to restore your website in Hostinger website builder. First, this is my Hostinger website builder. Just from working on this website, I deleted the footer on this website in order to record a video. Now I want to restore this footer backup. As you can see, the undo button is not working because my website was automatically saved. Now, in order to restore the version where I had a footer in this website, all I need to do is to click on website settings, then click on manage backups. These are the backups I can select. I think just the latest one, which is at the top, has my, as you can see, it has the footer I had previously in my website. As you can see, backups are stored for only 30 days and they are also created simply by publishing your website. Now select the backup you want to restore to and click on restore backup. Confirm your restoration. My website backup was restored successfully, and this is my footer showing again at the bottom of my website. And this is how to restore your website in Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Analytics to Hostinger website builder. All you need to do is to click on these little three dots or website settings, go to integrations, then click on connect and fill in your Google Analytics ID. In order to have a Google Analytics ID, you need to create an account on Google Analytics website. To visit Google Analytics, just go to analytics.google.com. Then log in to your Google account. If you don't have one, you need to create it. Then click on Start Measuring. Give your account a name, for example, Ben's Adventures. Check Google products and services and uncheck the other options. Click on Next. Give your property a name, for example, it can also be Ben's Adventures blog. Select your reporting time zone and currency. Click Next. For the industry category, it is required and it is also important to select the closest one or the exact one to your site, because after that you will start seeing comparisons between your site and competitors in the same industry. In my case, I will go with travel. My business size is small. Choose your business objectives. Google generate leads, drive online sales. Yes, I want to generate leads, drive online sales. I'm not interested in driving online sales. Raise brand awareness. No. Examine user behavior. Yes. Get baseline report. No. Click on I accept. Scroll down a little bit, then accept again, then hit the I accept button. My platform is a website. My website URL is Ben's test. My URL is benstestinghosting.com. My website Ben's Adventures. Then click on create and continue. And this is my Google Analytics ID. Click on copy, then go back to Hostinger and hit save. As you can see, data collection is pending. Click on continue to home and check all and save. Close this window, dismiss this top bar. Now you should receive your first report in the next 24 hours. In this video, I will show you how to check your website traffic in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my Hostinger Website Builder, and to check your website traffic, click on Website Settings, then go to Analytics. A new window will pop up. As you can see, you can check your traffic overview for the last 3 days, 7 days, or 30 days. Let's go with 30 days. In the last 30 days, I got 390 site sessions and 38 unique visitors. As you can see, this is a graph of sessions over time. In this day, in this 13th of July, I got 106 visitors. You can also see your sessions per country. As you can see, Morocco is in the top of this list. I got many visitors from Morocco, which this is a demo site, so all of these visitors coming from Morocco are just me. I also get some random visitors from Google because I published this article. Let's see this article in my blog post. This is the keyword is best hiking jacket for cold weather, and I wrote this article using AI. And after some few days, I got surprised that this article was indexed well, and it started showing in some countries like the US, India, Finland, Saudi Arabia, Belgium. And this is the query: best jacket for hiking in cold weather, hiking jackets for cold weather. That means that Google is friendly with websites made using Hostinger Website Builder, because on my other sites I don't get these results. Let's go back to our tutorial, analytics, 30 days. After sessions by country, you can also see sessions by device. As you can see, the majority of my websites are coming from desktop. And this is how to check your website visitors in Hostinger Website Builder.